Welcome to Recline Yoga. Today I have 15 minutes beach yoga flow morning stretch. So let's begin. Cross-legged seated position. Inhale, arm up, bend to the side. Take a deep breath in, lengthen through the spine. And exhale, ha. Switch side. Inhale, arm up, bend to the side. Look at the sky. Open your chest. Slow inhale. Slow exhale. Slowly release. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, twist to your right. Inhale and exhale. Focus on your breath. Listen to your body. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, twist to your left. Sit tall, lengthen spine. Open your chest. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center. Lower your shoulder. Switch direction. Relax your shoulder. Come on to hands on your knee, cat and cow. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back, work your belly. Inhale, arch your back. And round your back, moving at your own pace. This is not about flexibility, it's about movement and breath. Even small movements are enough. Neutral position and step your right foot forward. Inhale, arms up and low lunge. This pose stretches the hips, open your chest and relax your shoulder. Exhale, hand to the mat and switch side. Step your right foot forward and inhale, arms up. Exhale, relax your shoulder. Gaze straight. Exhale, hand to the mat and stand tall over your mat. Inhale, roll up. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more, inhale, arms up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, halfway up. Step your foot back. Plank position. Shoulder forward and lower your body. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Look your forward and walk your hand forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more, inhale, arms up and bow down. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, step your foot back and plank position. Exhale, lower your body. Inhale, up dog. Open your chest. Exhale, shift back into downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Relax your shoulder. Look forward and walk your hand forward. Inhale, roll up, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more, inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Step your right foot back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend your front knee. Warrior 1. Open your chest. Gaze soft. Inhale, extend your front leg. Come into Warrior 2. Open your arms wide. Bend your front knee. Flip your front palm. Reach your right arm up and back. Feel the stretch along your side body. Right hand to the mat. Right arm reach up. Find your triangle. Stack your shoulders. Hand to the mat. Step your back foot forward. Step your left foot back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend your front knee. Open your chest. Warrior 1. Gaze straight. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, extend your front knee. Exhale, bend your front knee. Open your arms wide. Warrior 2. Inhale and exhale. Flip your front palm. Reach your left arm up and back. Feel the stretch around your side body. Hand to the mat. Arm up. Find your triangle. Stack your shoulders. Soft gaze upward. Exhale, hand to the mat. Stand tall over your mat. And bow down. Inhale. Arms up, chair pose, sink your hips back. And open your chest. Exhale, bow down. Stretch your backside of your legs. One more. Inhale, arms up, chair pose. Relax your shoulder. And hand to the mat and hold forward. One more. Inhale, arms up, chair pose. Open your chest. Keep your core and hands on your knee. Child pose to rest. Forehead to the mat. Relax your shoulder and back, your legs. Everything relax. Begin to take a slow breath in through the nose and exhale completely. Let your body soften here. Slowly wake up. Lie on your back. Gently hug your left knee into your chest. Let your shoulders soften. Relax your jaw. Inhale and exhale. Switch side. Hug your right knee into your chest. Feel your lower back melting into the sand. There is nothing to do, just breathe. Extend your legs long. Let your arms rest by your side. Turn your palms facing up. Allow your feet to fall open naturally. Close your eyes. Let your whole body be heavy. Let your breath return to normal. There is nothing to fix. There is nothing to achieve. Let your body free rest. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the sand. Allow your muscle to soften. Release your jaw. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Everything relax. When you wake up, start by gently moving your fingers and toes. Open and close your hands and feet. Slowly circle your wrist and ankle. Take a deep breath in and reach your arms up over your head. Exhale and bring your arms back down by your side. Then slowly sit up. Cross-legged seated position. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Last one. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.